Managing applications at scale has always been complex. Different users, different devices, endless configurations. Application Workspace simplifies it all. IT gets access to thousands of curated applications, complete with the right settings, up to date, ready to deploy. Smart icons do the real magic. They adapt based on user role, location, device, and policy. So employees always see the right applications in the right configuration at the right time. Distribution is faster and more reliable. Even large complex applications are delivered instantly across Windows, macOS, and virtual environments like Citrix, Omnisa, RDS, and AVD. With DTAP and multi-platform support built in, Application Workspace delivers consistency, control, and confidence at scale. This is true application management. Context-aware, scalable, built for modern IT.